This says 5991 Radnor. This obviously needs to be replaced. It was on there last time. These windows, let's just tape. Needs to be cleaned. Panels are fine. It was repainted. The stuff that goes under the carpet was removed, but obviously kitchen needs a new faucet, handle. Cabinets look fine. Countertops are questionable. Sink. Need the plates back on. Missing a door handle. Needs to be cleaned. Bathroom, this needs to be fixed, stabilized. Mirror looks fine. Bathtub probably needs to be reglazed and recaulked. There's mold everywhere. Doors look fine. Windows fine. Bottom of the toilet needs to be secured. Then recaulked. Cabinet, honestly, oops. Light fixture. The stairs, there needs to be a door here. Needs a globe. Cinder blocks needs to be taken out. The paint looks good. This screen is out of the window, that needs to be redone. This one doesn't have a screen at all. That's locked. Missing door handle on both sides. This door handle on this room needs to be replaced. Everything looks good up here except for the floor. This stuff needs to be taken out. Those windows are both locked. Both have screens. This closet looks fine. None of the drawers are missing handles. Banister needs to be put back up. Ugh, this stinks so. Oh, that's interesting. Oh. Okay, this area over here looks fine. This, I don't know if it's broken or it's just coming down. This panel is also coming out. Same thing with this light. I don't know if it's broken or just open. There is water all over the floor. And something is leaking. This pipe here is leaking. I'll take pictures with my flash on. It's leaking and there's water all over the floor over here. It's kind of going into the drain. These cabinets just need to be cleaned out. They look fine. Looks like there's some stuff in this and there needs to come out. That probably needs to be fixed. This dryer needs to come out. Oh, okay, it's winterized. Just had to get the last bit of water out. This looks fine. Oh, water. Okay. But yeah. You can kind of hear it. Okay. That is 5991 Radnor.